Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Hudson River for the first heavy snowfall of the year. That's supposed to be the GWB. That's what New York looks like in this storm. That's Edgewater, New Jersey. And still beautiful the way the snow overtakes and covers the earth. How beautiful is this? And I bet you if I went fishing, even though it's too damn cold, but I wouldn't. How gorgeous. But that's supposed to be New York over there. The GWB is supposed to be there, but you can't see anything. It's so foggy. How beautiful though.